Hello, good day everyone. Gab here, market analyst from SmarTrade. So let's have our daily analysis for NAS100 and same goes with Dow Jones. All right, so first things we have NAS100. So currently it's traded around 11,994. And yesterday the range that I gave you was around 12,230 and of course 12,130. So first thing, we can see a huge drop for NAS100 coming from this level all the way here. So it goes down for about 311 pips. But the levels that I give you, 12,213, same goes with 12,130. So the price of NAS100 did not go beyond 12,230. So it did not reach our target for 12,270. But on the downside, it goes down and it's traded below 12,130, as you can see here. And right after that, it hits our target on the downside for about 12,100. So I hope you guys profited with this one if you managed to open the position below 12,130. But for the day, what are the levels that we need to pay attention for NAS100? So number one, we have 12,020 and same thing with 11,920. So if you can see the price of NASDAQ as of the moment, it's currently rising and stochastics is going up. So if you can see that NASDAQ 100 is traded beyond 12,020, then we might see 12,050 in picture for the day. But be cautious since the overall trend of NASDAQ 100 is on the downside if we base on the bigger picture. So for monthly, weekly, and daily is strongly bearish. So if it's traded below 11,920, then you might see 11,880 in picture for the day. So if it goes down and it can sustain lower than 11,880, then we might see another drop for NAS100 for the day. And lastly, we have Dow Jones. So yesterday's level, we have 31,550 and also 31,400. So as you can see here, before the decline of Dow Jones yesterday, the price of Dow Jones on the early sessions, it was actually traded beyond 31,550. And as you can see here, after it traded above 31,550, it managed to took the levels of 31,600. So for those who managed to took the long positions right here, I hope you guys profited. And after that, after it reached 31,600, it retraced from there and it goes down and it's traded below 31,400. This was actually our area of interest as well on the downside. And after it's being traded below 31,400, it goes down to 31,350 as I said yesterday. And after that, it goes down sharply. So if you can still remember, as I've mentioned, if it's traded 31,350, then we might see a further drop for Dow Jones for the day. But for today's levels, we need to pay attention. Number one, 31,150 and same thing with 39.50. So same thing with NASDAQ 100. If we base on the bigger picture, monthly, daily, and also weekly is strongly bearish. So the levels for the day is number one, 31,150. So if it's traded beyond 31,150, we might see 31,250 in picture. So as you can see, the stochastics is currently going up on the 80 levels. But same thing with NASDAQ, you need to be very cautious with 31,250 because it might retrace on the downside once again since the overall trend for Dow Jones is bearish. So on the downside, if it's traded 30,950, then we might see 30,850 in picture for the day. But if it can sustain lower than 30,850, then we might see another drop for Dow Jones for the day. So once again, you know the drill. If you manage to took the trades, regardless if it's long or short positions, I would suggest you trail half of the targeted pips so that you can protect your capital, and same goes with your profits. So thank you everyone. That is all for our NASDAQ and Dow Jones analysis for the day. So please like and subscribe to YouTube channel SmarTrade and see you on the next video.